What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Sorry there's been a bit of delay on videos recently. That is because I got married. Thank you so much for everyone for all the lovely comments on my community post about the wedding. We had an absolutely amazing day and we'll never forget it. Then afterwards we had a lovely little family honeymoon with Amelia in Disneyland. She had such an amazing time, as you can probably imagine. But now I'm back and the channel is in full swing too. I filmed some C43 videos this week, so I can't wait to edit those together and get those up. But I just wanted to give you guys a new update on the CLA45s. Well, it's happened guys, just as we feared. Due to our crazy world right now, unfortunately, my CLA45s has been delayed and the car won't be arriving this month as planned. But hey, you know me, let's keep this video positive. I'm so grateful to be able to have such an amazing car on order, and I honestly think it's going to be well worth the wait when it arrives. I'm still as hyped as ever, and I hope you guys are going to wait with me for this beast to arrive. So the new date is actually not too bad. Turns out in August, which was my scheduled build month, Mercedes had to close down the main factory that builds the CLAs for about 3 weeks. This is due to a semiconductor shortage, so it's completely delayed the production on my car till October. I now have a new build date of October the 2nd with a delivery date of November the 9th. It's a shame we're not going to have the car for the channel this month, as that would have been amazing, but I still can't wait to make content with it for you guys, so I honestly think it's going to be well worth the wait. I'm going to stay positive and use this extra time to really plan everything out, so from day one when we pick up the car, I'm ready to film lots of great videos. Now there's one more setback to mention, I'm afraid, and that is how Mercedes are handling the shortage of computer components. More so, semiconductors. In order to get the cars across to customers, Mercedes are having to cut some options and features from some cars, and this unfortunately has affected my CLA45s. Due to this, my car is going to be built with some missing features. Augmented reality navigation is now cut from all Mercedes in production. We're not sure yet if it will ever return, but it's a shame that the CLA45s won't have this. AMG track pace will also be missing from my car. This is a big disappointment as it's such a nice little feature and I was really looking forward to making videos with it, especially using the drag timer. But hey, at least we have a draggy GPS timer, so we can still do some good 0 to 60 runs and test out launch control and get some good accurate readings. Just to confirm though, this is only the AMG track pace menu. The special AMG menus and displays will still all be included in the car. So we're not going to be missing those nice sporty dials that you can have across the two screens. The other two things that will be missing from my car are wireless charging and the hands-free package. Now in all honesty, I'm not too worried about these two. I have the wireless charging in my C43 and I never really use it. It doesn't charge my phone up very quickly at all, and if I pop my phone down there, I usually just plug it in anyway so I can use Android Auto or CarPlay if you're on Apple. Same with the hands-free access. Not to be confused with keyless entry, this is just a small feature where you kick with your leg under the boot and it opens up. But the coupe versions of the CLA don't actually have an electronic boot, so when you kick below, all it does is open up the latch, so it's not really that useful at all. So overall, only two features I'm sad not to have are track pace and the augmented reality sat-nav. It is a shame, but I'm willing to lose these to still get my hands on this amazing car, so let's keep positive guys. You may be asking yourself, what are Mercedes doing for their customers to make up for these lost features that, well, we've paid for? Well, currently they are offering 1 year free service to all customers affected. Now this is being offered from Mercedes UK directly and not the dealers themselves. So it may be worth checking with your dealer if they're willing to give you something as a gesture of goodwill as well. Maybe a further discount or something free, always worth checking. So there we have it guys, not the best news, but I still want to end this video on a high. Even though the car has been delayed, it's still coming soon and I'm still super excited. I simply can't wait to get behind the wheel and start making videos with it for you guys to enjoy. So a big thank you to everyone that's waiting for the CLA45s to arrive with me. You guys have made this whole process even more exciting. Also, a huge thank you to all my subscribers, whether you joined the channel when it was a few hundred subscribers or you've just found it recently. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in and supporting. I truly love making these videos. I also have lots of great C43 and general Mercedes content coming this month, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. So bring on November and bring on the CLA45s. As always guys, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You do not want to miss when the CLA45s arrives. Trust me guys, the collection video is going to be epic. I'll see you all next time.